Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to use or set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, you will see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select the AMAZFIT GTR 3 from the list of devices. On this page, find the option called Watch Faces and tap on it. And right here, scroll through the list of categories and find the category called Custom Background. Once you find it, tap on the More option next to the Custom Background. Come on. Oh, right here. And once you open the whole category, look for the watch faces called where is it? Probably will be at the bottom. Yes, at the bottom you have different watch faces called like time right, time center, time top, time bottom, and time left. Select one of them. And once you select one of them, you will open this menu, and here we can customize our custom watch face. We can add a background to it. To do it, tap on the plus button under the change the background of the watch face, and you can select take photo or photos. If you select take photo, it will open the camera app. You will be able to take a picture and use that picture as a watch face. And if you select photos, it will open the photos gallery on your phone, and you can select the picture or image from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option, but you can use the first one if you like. Tap on Got It, allow the permission, and here we have the Photos application. We have one image we can use. I'm gonna tap on it to select it, and once you select the photo, you will need to crop it. So basically, because the whole picture won't fit on our watch face, we can select part of it to use it as a watch face, and you can zoom in, zoom out, you can move left and right, and once you're done, you can tap on select, and here we have a preview of our watch face. Okay, you can also change the style of the watch face. So basically, on where is the clock positioned on your watch face, you have the top, bottom, left, right, and middle. So select the one you like. I'm gonna select the bottom one because I think it looks the best. And once you're done, you can tap on the sync button to synchronize the watch face to your watch. So let's wait. And as you can see, after it's done, the watch face will be applied on your watch. Okay, and now we can close the application. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.